How to change lock screen password on Android. Open the settings on your device. You can see various options over here. Find the option for security and tap on it. Find the option for screen lock and tap on it. Enter your current screen lock over here. Once you do that, you'll be able to choose a new screen lock. Since you want to change it to password, tap on the option for password. Now you'll have to set a password over here. It must contain at least 4 characters. Simply enter the characters over here. Tap on the option next that you can see on the screen. Re-enter your password. Tap on the option confirm. Once you do that, your screen lock password will be changed. Like this, you can change lock screen password on Android. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.